Do you want to be a successful day trader? If you do, watch this video so I can show you how to trade the pound yen for the rest of this week and make some money. What's going on, everyone? Jakob here, back with another midweek chart breakdown video of the pound yen. As always, I'm going to go over the new levels for the pound yen, and then I'm going to show you the scenarios for the rest of the week that I'm going to be looking at. Please remember, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out. Also, there's a link in the description for our Discord community. Every single morning during the London session, we're trading the London session live for the pound yen. Some people trade some other pairs such as pound dollar or gold, and we show everyone our ideas for the morning. Let's get into this chart. So if we look at the daily chart, we can see that we had a strong trend long. Yesterday's daily candle was a strong close above the previous candles. And today's candle, it hasn't closed just yet, but price is pulling back on yesterday's candle. So a few things we can expect here on the daily. We could see a range established here, and it would be a higher range than the previous range. We could see a scenario that looks like this, where we get price pull back and then continue long. Or we could see something such as a reversal play, where price anchor breaks below the low, pulls back, and continues short until it arrives at a higher time frame location to continue the long. Okay, let's go down on a smaller time frame to reanalyze. So I'm on a 1 hour chart right now. Okay, so something that I want to point out to everyone is look at this high that we had established and this low. A new high gets established. So the new high is higher than the previous high, but we haven't had a new low get established unless this is it. This could be the new higher low being established. So this could be something like this, pull back, and then we get a continuation of price. So then we'll get a new high being established, and then price will pull back, establish a new higher low for price to continue long from again. So this area here, this could be the new higher low area before price continues long. Okay, so let me show you one of the new zones that we have. This is a zone through this area. So I do have a line at 185.47, but this is a bit larger of a zone. If we look at where price is rejected from, we have buyers stepping in from the location multiple times and then sellers using the same location. Buyers just came back in around the 185.50 area and pushed price long again. We'll see where it is, price is at tomorrow. Price could still come deeper into the zone before it goes long. Again, we'll have to see what happens in the overnight session during Asia and where we're at during the London session. So I have another level here at 186. So if you go on to the 15-minute time frame, it's more of a point of control of the smaller range. Price can return up to here and go short from the 186 back down into the 185.50, or it could come up into this other level here at 186 around 10. This was a daily level we had marked out previously. Okay, so let me show you my new scenarios. Oh, one more level, sorry, I forgot, the 185 level. So if you saw, price pulled back to 185, which is the point of control of this range, and then took off long yesterday. So this is an important launch point area at 185. Okay, so let me draw out my scenarios. So I could see price coming up, pulling back down and going into this level deeper, and then going long again from here, and then established a new higher low. I could also see price breaking the level, pulling back to it, and then going short either to the 185 level or breaking and continuing short, pulling back, and then continuing down to the higher time frame level at 184, where at 184 I would expect a more higher time frame buyers to step in and take price long. Another scenario we could see is price go long right now from the level at 185.50, continue long, break above the 186, pull back onto it, and continue up into the previous highs that were established overnight over here. You could see a reaction short from here, or price could give you a continuation, pull back, and then continue up to the next level at 187.25 right up here. So those will be my main scenarios for the rest of the week. The trade that I would be most keen on taking would be the long from 184, only because that's where my higher time frame buyers are. But I will look to take a long if price re-enters the level here at the 185.50. So for the news for the rest of the week, if we just take a quick look at Forex Factory, we can see that we have a lot of flash manufacturing PMI for tomorrow's London session. So that'll be a busy news morning. And then also for the US session, there's some important news. And then remember, on Thursday and Friday, we have the Jackson Hole Symposium where all of the central bankers speak, which can really affect price and the higher time frame trends as well. So good luck trading for the rest of this week. Join the Discord community and you can speak with all of us. Thank you.